Welcome to Kanama Cooks. Today's dish is a veggie loaded masala roti recipe. A lot of vegetables are added in this roti, making it very healthy, and these are loaded with fiber. This recipe is based on Eat the Rainbow series. In Eat the Rainbow series, it is encouraged to eat a lot of different kinds and colors of vegetables to be included in every meal. Eating different colors of vegetables is good for your health and they are loaded with fiber. Not to mention the different kinds of vitamins and minerals that you will get. The kind of vegetables you use is totally up to you. Add whatever you can find in your refrigerator. The idea is to use at least 6 to 7 vegetables and greens. I have used 1/4 cup of each vegetable for making this masala roti today. Make sure to include greens, and today I have used drumstick leaves that are a powerhouse of nutrition. Grate and chop the veggies as required and get them ready. You can use a food processor or a vegetable grater to get them grated. Take a bowl and add in our veggies. Here is our grated radish, finely chopped onions, grated chow, grated yellow pumpkin, chopped drumstick leaves, grated carrots, grated bottle gourd, and grated beetroot. To these, add in the grated ginger, finely chopped green chillies. Alternatively, you can also crush the green chillies to a paste and add. Add in the finely chopped curry leaves, black pepper powder, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, cumin seeds, asafoetida, and the salt. After adding everything, mix well to combine so all the spices and herbs are evenly distributed and there are no lumps. Once the veggies and the herbs are mixed well, add in the whole wheat flour. After adding the flour, mix well and knead briefly to form a dough. Do not add any water to knead. The moisture from the vegetables will be enough to form a dough. Add a little ghee while kneading for flavor. After adding the ghee, keep kneading to form a soft dough. Add water only if the dough is very dry and it is difficult to knead. Otherwise, the moisture from the vegetables will be just enough to make a dough. Once the dough ball is formed and ready, cover the dough ball with a cloth and let it rest for 5 minutes. The dough will continue to soften as it rests. After 5 minutes, form small balls of dough. A small lime-sized ball will be ideal. You should be able to get about 14 to 16 small dough balls for this recipe. Now let's make the rotis. Dust the dough ball generously in flour. Regular whole wheat flour works well for dusting the dough balls. Gently roll the dough into a 6-inch circle. Since a lot of veggies are involved, you might need to be generous with the dusting flour so the dough does not stick to the rolling stone. Be gentle with the dough so it does not tear while rolling. Once the dough has been rolled to the desired size, gently tap off the excess flour and our roti is ready for the griddle. Here is a small tip while rolling to avoid the dough from sticking. If you notice that the dough is sticking to the stone, take a paring knife and scrape off the dough bits sticking to the stone and to the rolling pin. This way, the dough will not stick while rolling. Also, be generous with the dusting flour while rolling. Now let's make the rotis. Place the rolled roti on the hot griddle. Sprinkle little oil on the top of the roti and spread evenly with the back of a spoon. Flip the roti and sprinkle oil on the other side too. These rotis needs to be cooked on a high flame so the roti cooks fast and they maintain their moistness for a long time. The roti is ready if it's evenly brown on both sides. Our delicious veggie loaded masala rotis are now ready. You do not need any side dish for this roti. These can be served plain, or if you're feeling a little fancy, you can serve this with a side of a simple raita made with cucumber. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, show us some love by hitting that like, share and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye.